Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to fix CP plus mini PTZ EZ-S35T camera playback error. Now show on screen playback error. SD card is encrypted. Now I am going to show you how to fix this. Tap on set password and type on set password. Type here password. I am type here admin@123 as usual. Type on confirm. It's take it time 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Now SD card is normal. Now check playback. Tap on back arrow. Now you see no video shown. Okay. Go to live and then check playback. Like this live. I tap on playback. SD card add normal. Fix now. Tap on fix now. Need to format this SD card. Format SD card. Okay. SD card is formatting. Now you see SD card is normal. After this, tap on back button. Now tap on live. Check live. Then tap on playback. Now you see playback is now working fine. Okay. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.